வணக்கம். Money mule. A money mule is also called a smuffer. Smuffer is a person who transfers money acquired illegally. Smuff means structuring a deposit to split a large financial transaction into smaller ones so as to avoid scrutiny. Money mule is a term used to describe innocent victims who are duped by fraudsters into laundering stolen or illegal money via their bank accounts. Money mules are recruited, sometimes unwittingly, by criminals to transfer illegally obtained money between two different accounts. Now, it is found that college students and secondary school pupils are being targeted by crime gangs. They are tempted by paying them money for using of their bank accounts. Some 700 suspected money mules have been identified in the Republic in the last year. Many of them teenagers are in their early 20s and recruited on college campuses and in schools, sports clubs, and workplaces, but mostly online. The mule accounts are being used to move and hide the proceeds of crime, and there is nothing virtual. Parents and teachers need to have a conversation with young people about the scams and warn them, as they would be very easy to find. Michael Crayon of Garda National Economic Crime Bureau said young people were being enticed with offers of easy money, but they are soon identified in criminal investigations and charged with money laundering. They need to be aware that offers being made to them on social media or messaging apps were being sent out by serious organized crime gangs. It is found that gangs involved in frauds and online scams were now doing the same with money mules. They were securing access to the bank accounts of people and taking receipt of funds from crimes into those accounts before their withdrawal or transfer to other accounts. Money mules were sometimes paid a fee, but their money trail was easily traced to their accounts. Some young people agreed to allow their bank accounts to be used to make easy money. In some cases, the young person handed over their bank card to the person who recruited them, through others agreed to carry out withdrawals themselves. The gangs are now using an account for one deposit or cash transfer. Many young people destroying their futures by taking up offers of earning money. So we need to be very careful with this money mules. Nowadays, many people are cheated, so they need to take care of them. Thank you.